This is Melissa McGinnis with Long Beach Local News. We're at the Pacific Jet Center. I'm with Mariana Sena. Nice to see you.
Well, thank you for coming out.
My pleasure. This is a fabulous day, a fabulous event. Tell us what's going on here.
Every year for the last 15 years, I've been had the pleasure of organizing and implementing programs for most of my former patients that I work with as a recreational therapist at the hospital. And this is kind of like their little graduation present and be able to go up on an airplane with a pilot.
It is such a great experience for them, really broadens their horizon and gets them out of thinking about their day-to-day therapy.
Yes, and it is also to show them that the sky is the limit. Just because they have some kind of an impairment or ability level, it shouldn't keep them from doing whatever they want. They actually get to sit in front with the pilot. The pilot gives an opportunity to talk a little bit to the tower. They get to manipulate a little bit of the controls, and they actually get to fly the plane for a little bit. And they're up for about 15 to 20 minutes, which is great.
That is so awesome. I know it brings a lot of smiles to their faces. We were up there and we definitely saw that firsthand.
Yeah, it's an opportunity that most of us don't even have. For some of the kids that have actually social interaction skills, this is wonderful because it gives them something to talk about that most of their friends probably have never done this before either.
So who pays for a day like this?
Actually, it's free to the participants. We have had a wonderful working relationship with now Mustang Sally, Flight Serve, and Pacific Jet Center, and the pilots donate their time. The airplanes are given to us, and it's all free to the participant.
Okay, well, woo! I'm still feeling crazy about that flight. How about you?
Yeah.
That was really fun. Did you have a great time?
Yes, pretty much.
It looked like you were flying the plane. Is that true? It was a lot of fun, though. How important was this for your son to experience something like this?
Oh, it's that kind of programs are amazing. They really help Sebastian a lot with his all, ideas, his all feelings. He feels more comfortable, make whatever, people in regular time.
Exactly. He's been going through a lot of treatments and therapies since, unfortunately, he had brain surgery. You're such a strong guy, but now you get to go do something fun because that's a lot of work. You're in the hospital doing a lot of other things.
Yeah, it's more than a year with therapies. You already told brain tumor surgery, a month and a half in the hospital. It's too much for a kid. So that kind of things are amazing, really.
So we'd like to just shout out to Miller Children's Hospital for letting us experience this, for Sebastian, but letting us to go along to see this and witness it and have fun with him. Keith, it's so nice to meet you today.
Great to meet you as well.
And we love your center here. We had such an amazing experience up with some of the pilots. How important was it for the pilots to want to donate their time today?
I think it's something fun for them to do too, because there's always a destination that they're going to, or whether it be with their families or for business use and things like that. So I think doing something for the local population it's just a lot of fun for them. I've been doing this for 15 years now, so I've always looked at this event as a way to give back to the community, but at the same time it's a way for us. There's a lot of organizations out there for pilots to take people to places, veterans, Angel Flight, things like that, where there's always a destination to go to, and I feel like the pilots feel a little bit more receptive to donating their time when it's just for fun. There's no requirement to get a patient to somewhere or something of that nature, so it takes a lot of stress off the pilot.
That's great, and we saw a lot of smiles on the youngsters' faces today, so I'm sure they learned a lot, they were inspired, and I didn't realize what an integral part you're playing here today.
Yeah, I've been doing this for a while now, and we do it twice a year. Over the years, there's been lots of media, lots of people have done school projects, videos, things like that. It's been a lot of fun.
So what a great community we live in here in Long Beach. Thank you for all your hard work that you do.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to do this program, and I love it just to see the smile on the kids' faces.
Thank you. Great job.
Thank you.